All right, 1, 2, 3, and 4 are all very similar, so we're going to work through 4 together here. This asks us to convert the equation of the circle into general form. And again, this is more just algebraic practice. In reality, the form that it's in, where you can get the center and the radius, is going to be the more useful form. So they're assigning this really to just give you a little practice with foiling and doing some algebra work to get you ready for next year in Algebra 2. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of the exponents. All right, just to write this out for us, so we got a nice clean FOIL on these. If you're really comfortable with shortcuts, you can use some of the shortcuts we have for squaring a binomial. But again, if not, we just work through FOIL. So we got first times first, which is x squared, outers, which is negative 3x, inners, which is negative 3x, and then last times last, which is a plus 9. We'll do the same thing on the next one. So we've got y squared minus 6y minus another 6y plus 36. And that all still equals 12. All right, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to combine the like terms. I'm also going to start to rearrange a little bit. So I've got x squared, then I've got a y squared there. So those two pieces are gone. Negative 3x minus 3x is negative 6x. Dealt with those. Negative 6y minus 6y is negative 12y. Those are gone. Then I've got plus 36 equals 12. All right, now the general form that we've been taught has 0 on one side by itself, so we're going to subtract 12 off both sides, and we get x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 12y plus 24 equals 0. And that would be our general form for this particular circle. All right, hope that helps.